Since I'm always on my phone, I realized I started to get this kind of posture. And then doing the handstands doesn't help because you're always like this, closed. So I let my shoulders work out. Wrist and my shoulders in the same line, and I'm gonna bring my hands behind my head. Inhale, open, only from the upper back, and close. You see two, but we will do more. Just watching my hand. And to the other side. Shoulder is not gonna move, this part. Only my torso drops down. Front, up, back. The other direction, down, back, up, front. Inhale, left arm up, bend to the side. You can come to your forearm or look up through your armpit. Arm pulls and the head is the last, and the other side.